Hello and welcome to our quick guide on setting up a WordPress website with Hostinger. The link to Hostinger is in the description. Start by visiting hostinger.com on the website. Click on the Websites tab. Next, you'll see an option to create or migrate a website. Click on this. Choose WordPress as your platform. Select your preferred language for the WordPress installation. Enter your administrator email and create a password. This will be used for managing your WordPress site. Hostinger will offer you a range of templates. Browse through and select one that fits your needs. Decide if you want any pre-selected plugins to be included in your setup. These can add various functionalities to your site. Type in the name you want for your website. Confirm your ownership of the website. This step might involve verifying your email address or domain. Select your website's target audience. This helps tailor your site's setup. Once these steps are complete, your dashboard will be ready in the Site panel under the WordPress section. In your dashboard, click on Admin Panel. This will open in a new window. Now, select Set up my store. You'll be prompted to provide some details about yourself, your product, and your store. Fill in these details accurately. Click on Confirm. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.